The keyboard is the most commonly used input device for a personal computer. You can use a keyboard to enter letters, numbers, and symbols. Other keys, called function keys, let you perform specific functions as you work on the computer. You can also use key combinations, pressing more than one key at a time, to enter data and issue commands. A typical keyboard has approximately 101 keys. Keyboard designs vary, but the basic layout of the keys has been standardized so users can easily work on different keyboards. You should take the time to develop keyboarding skills so that you can work efficiently. Each section of a keyboard contains different kinds of keys. The typing keypad includes numbers, letters, punctuation marks, and symbols like $sign or %sign. The navigation keypad lets you move around a document and scroll up and down. When you press the num-lock key, the numeric keypad allows you to enter the digits 0 through 9, as well as the plus, minus, asterisk, and slash keys for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Many keyboards include function keys in a row above the typing keypad. The Internet controls on some newer keyboards let you navigate through web pages, open your list of favorite websites, check email, and display the home page. In addition, media control keys let you play, pause, stop, rewind, and fast forward through a video. The typing keypad has keys that you press to enter letters, numbers, symbols, and punctuation marks. The spacebar is the long key beneath the bottom row of letter keys. The spacebar inserts a space as you type. You can use your thumb to press the spacebar. The modifier keys are on the edges of the letter keys. You use the modifier keys, Control and Alt, in conjunction with other keys to issue a command. The two shift keys let you type uppercase letters and the symbols that appear on the top half of the number and punctuation keys. You use the backspace key to delete or remove characters to the left of the insertion point. Backspace also deletes any selected text or objects. When you work on a computer, most of the data that you enter will be character data. Characters are numbers, letters, and symbols. The navigation keypad has arrow keys for moving up, down, left, and right on a screen or through parts of a screen. It also has home, end, page up, and page down keys for moving to the beginning or end of a screen, document, or file. On some keyboards, there are two navigation keypads between the typing keypad and the number keypad that contain insert, home, page up, delete, end, and page down in the top section, and the arrow keys in the bottom section. You use the delete key to delete characters at the insertion point. You use the insert key to switch overtype mode on and off. Overtype mode types over characters in a document rather than inserting characters. The numeric keypad contains the keys for numbers and basic mathematical functions. The num-lock key turns the numeric keypad on or off. On many keyboards, the numeric keypad functions as a navigation keypad when the num-lock key is off. On some laptops, the numeric keypad is part of the typing keypad and can be activated by pressing the num-lock key or a function key. You can also use the typing keys to enter numbers. The top row of the typing keyboard contains the numbers 0 through 9. When you enter a lot of numeric data, however, you might find that the numeric keypad is easier to use. If your computer doesn't have a numeric keypad, you can attach an external keypad. Function keys are the 12 keys located at the top of the keyboard. As you can tell from their name, they have special functions assigned to them. The functions these keys perform vary from program to program. A function key might be used to print a document, close a window, or save a file. In many programs, pressing F1 will open the help system. Some programs have commands that use the Shift, Control, and Alt modifier keys with the function keys. Some keyboards have an F-lock key to give the function keys a second purpose, similar to the caps lock key for the typing keypad. The Escape ESC key is located at the left of the function keys on many keyboards. On some laptops, it's located above the F1 key. The escape key will undo the last action in some programs or close a dialog box. Some keyboards have specialized keys to control Internet and media functions. Internet control keys let you navigate the Internet without using the mouse. You can return to the previous web page, go forward a web page, refresh a page, and go to the home page using these keys. Keyboards with media control keys let you play and pause music and videos. You can also fast forward and rewind using these keys. Some keyboards let you customize function or control keys to carry out actions that you perform frequently. Typing on a keyboard is sometimes called keyboarding. To keyboard properly, you begin by placing your fingertips on the home row keys, the A, S, D, and F keys for the left hand, and the J, K, L, and semicolon keys for the right hand. This is called touch typing or 10-finger typing. The space bar is the long bar below the letter keys on the keyboard. Pressing the space bar adds a blank space after the last character you typed. The Enter key moves the insertion point down one line. In a word processing program, it starts a new paragraph. In a dialog box or message box, the Enter key also works to tell the computer to perform a command. To type an uppercase letter or a symbol, press and hold the Shift key while pressing the character key. Like the Shift key, you can use Control and Alt with other keys. For example, in some programs, when you press and hold Control and then press P, the Print dialog box opens. If your device has a touch screen, it likely has a keyboard that you can use by pressing the image of a key with your finger or a stylus. Many of the keys on a touchscreen keyboard have 2 or 3 purposes, providing similar functionality to standard keyboards. Most people do not use 10 fingers to type on these keyboards. They often use only the index finger to touch each key. Other displays might show letters on the first screen, and then after you click a button, numbers and symbols on another screen. Smartphones can also have mini keyboards with real keys rather than touchscreen keys. They have fewer keys and less functionality than the keyboard on a laptop or desktop computer. Touchscreen and mobile device keyboards are not designed for document creation. Most people use these keyboards for short messaging and notes.